So, I was born with complete androgen insensitivity syndrome, and that means that I have XY chromosomes, but I'm assigned female at birth. But also, that also means that, like, phenotypically I'm female, and, like, if I didn't tell you guys, no one would know. Like, I have a V and not a P, and then and then like yeah, like, if I didn't bring it up, like, no one would know if sex is the same as a female. But the difference is, since I have a Y chromosome, what androgen insensitivity means is that my body, like, we all start out female in the womb, and, like, the Y chromosome is supposed to code and say, like, okay, like, get a dick and all that jazz, like, be a Chad, Mog. So, like, it's a Clav and not a Stacy, or it's a Chad and not a Stacy, is what I mean. But because we don't respond, we're, like, completely insensitive. So what happens is pretty interesting. We have androgens that don't convert into testosterone, and then we convert it into estrogen. So that's why we're actually pure estrogen. And men and women actually have both normally testosterone and estrogen, but we only have estrogen. And that's why it's a paradox, because there's this article called "The Perfect Female is Genetically Male," because we have this condition, we don't have any testosterone. But, and so the only thing that the Y chromosome does, so we don't have ovaries or uterus because we don't have those parts from the other X chromosome, but we also don't have a dick or, any of that jazz, or, Adam's apple, like, none of that happens, okay? We just stay female, kind of like an alien.